people are exposing themselves that they are politically bankrupt. They are now sitting at home. They are now sitting at home, lonely. They left the ANC on their own. They were not chased out. They thought it is nice out there. It's cold out there. They now are beginning to throw stones in the ANC. And these comrades were part of the leadership. Some of them were Secretary General. Some of them. You can only say if the ANC is weak, they weakened it when they were the leadership of the ANC. Why now they have wisdom and everything when they are sitting out there? When they were here, we did not see that wisdom. Others